What's up, my real ones? We are at Yard House about to eat some salmon, and it looks like cauliflower rice, spinach, or just something healthy, y'all. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Waiting for silverware. About to eat it without silverware because, baby, I'm ready to eat. And we have no silverware at the table, y'all. That's crazy. Ready to eat, y'all. Ain't that crazy?
You better tell me if my camera coincides me.
Huh? Yeah, a little bit. Why are you doing it like that and not
Because
front?
it's better, the quality better.
Oh, okay.
Is it showing me though?
Yeah, it's showing you.
Can you see the plate?
Now I can see everything.
Okay.
Give me first play.
When the spot?
Man, dang, this is crazy. We have no silverware, y'all. This is crazy. Thank you, Lord, for this food.
Okay.
That's crazy, Lorenzo. I've never seen it. They don't have silverware on it.
I'm gonna go back there and check it.
And then we didn't even ask for plastic silverware.
That is what it is.
Oh my gosh.
It takes 5 minutes, but I need y'all to recook this.
Oh my God. I'm not playing with her.
Yeah, that's what we talking about.
Yeah, like.
With the